You know that moment when you meet someone and instantly trust them? Brands want that too, and video marketing is their shortcut. In the first 5 seconds, your audience has already decided if you're worth their time. Our digital marketing course teaches you exactly how to win them over. Video lets you look your audience in the eye and say, "I've got you." In our course, we'll show you how to make people not just hear your words, but feel your energy and connect with your vibe. If you write "I'm trustworthy" in text, people doubt it. But say it with the right tone, confidence, and smile on video, and they're hooked. We teach you that trust-building psychology step by step. The secret? Storytelling that makes people think, "Oh wow, that's me." Our course helps you craft quick, relatable stories that make your brand feel human. Because humans buy from humans. Trust comes from showing up consistently, not just once. Inside our course, you'll learn how to create a video strategy that turns strangers into loyal superfans faster than you thought possible. Forget perfect lighting or flawless scripts. Authenticity wins. We'll teach you how to show up real, raw, and relatable, even when you mess up a word or laugh mid-sentence. So here's your move. Create a video this week that feels so real, your audience can almost hear your heartbeat. And if you want the exact tools, tips, and insider secrets to make it happen, join our digital marketing course today. And yes, like this video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment so we know you're in.